Hey everybody, welcome to Learn Billiards. I'm Eddie Altman, your PBIA instructor. All right, we're at the table. We're going to be practicing the draw shot. I heard a lot of people, I did a couple of videos on draw shots, but I still get a lot of requests for it. So remember, draw shot. If you make contact with your object ball, because of all the backspin you put on the cue ball is going to reverse its direction. So it's going to come back to you. So remember, chalk up really well. You got to get down low. Don't be afraid. You want to keep the cue level and you follow through. Follow through is crucial on a draw shot. A lot of people tend to jab it or they jack up. You'll see them do this. They'll jack up because they think, well, if I can snap down into the ball, I'm going to get more spin on it. No, that's not true. Just remember, crucial to chalk up properly. Now these are very easy draw shots, so this is what you want to practice. And you can see the overall reaction. All right, so let's bring it a little bit further away. Now remember, it's the same thing, meaning your setup, and you can see the way I draw. So again, practice this, maybe 15, 20 minutes. Just put a ball by the pocket and take some shots, that's all. And there's all different types of draw shots. I mean, I could draw straight back, I could draw to the left, to the right. So you can see that cue ball kicked right to the left. Everybody seems to love a draw shot, but I have to say, remember, it's one of the hardest shots to control the cue ball. You have to practice this. Practice this as much as possible to learn the position play with the cue ball. So, it was one time you take a shot, you might get a lot of draw. The next time, you might only get a little bit of draw. So your cue ball might only travel 6 inches or a cue ball might travel 6 feet. Again, it's totally gonna be random in the beginning until you learn a feel for it. Once you develop a feel for it, you'll know. See, like that, I just wanted to draw it a little bit. Keep the cue ball on this end of the table. So again, go ahead, set them up straight in. You want straight in shots. Start off with maybe about a foot distance, and then you start increasing that distance between your cue and the object ball. So you can see when you're up closer to your object ball, you can create, it's just that much easier to get that much more backspin on it to draw the ball. One little tip, as you get further away, or if you just in general want to increase the amount of backspin, if you bring your bridge hand about 1 inch or 2 closer than normal, it will give you, like mine's about an 8-inch bridge between my bridge hand and my cue ball. If I want to create maximum backspin, you'll see I move my bridge hand up just about 1 inch to 2 inches, and it will develop. You'll see you'll increase the backspin on there. So again, take your warm-up strokes. Remember to follow through. Follow through is the key. If you don't follow through, you're not going to draw the ball. So that's the biggest tip I could give you, is make sure you follow through. And you don't necessarily need to kill the ball. A lot of people think that, I need to hit it with tremendous speed. It's technique more than anything. So that was just a medium shot, and look at the action that I got on the cue ball. So again, play around with it, practice it like all the other drills, 15 to 20 minutes, don't burn yourself out on it. So again, thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please check out my website, learnbilliards.com. Hit the like button, subscribe, share with your friends, share on Facebook. I would greatly appreciate it. So remember, learnbilliards.com. Use coupon code TAKE10, receive 10% off.